I'm going to use a whole dog here just because it makes it a little bit easier to see what I'm holding. So we've talked about the nose rolling downward or rolling upward, and now the next direction of movement we're going to talk about is rotation, that away and that away. So if your arm was going to reach forward to your computer, the hot dog is going to have a tendency to rotate like that. And if your arm is rotating back, the hot dog's going to rotate like that. Now I'm back to my 1/3 segment of the collarbone. So we'll just imagine it's the piece closest to the breastbone. And in this dimension, like a little hors d'oeuvre, it can twist that way and that way. We've got the hot dog now in its 3 parts. Tip forward, tip back,